Hello folks. Well, while testing out the new motor arms on my Mavic Mini and checking out the golf course and the pit pond and doing some dust flights, I heard some strange noise coming from the southeast. As you will see, I looked when I heard it, and when it went by so fast I then saw it. It flew past my distance, which my controller said was about 2,000 feet. This UFO flew quite a bit further, and I estimated about 3,000 feet and stopped. You're going to see this. Now listen, I've had many drones, many fast, some slower, but if this was a drone, how could it go that fast, and why did it come from the southeast where there's only open fields? Nobody lives out there with a drone that I know of. This is a small town. I only know of 3 other people with drones. Anyway, here's the first clip, and I'll make my comments as we go.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the
So
map.
this was captured on my head cam. I had GoPro 9 on there, and this first clip is unretouched and normal zoom. On the additional clips I have zoomed in so you can see the object in question a little better.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
The other object is pretty far away from me, that I estimate to be about 3,000 feet. Okay, I've zoomed this in now so you can see it a little better. And here's where it stopped.
Point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Maximum flight altitude reached.
Can you hear that? I hear that sound, and I looked away. I heard it. Not the truck which followed right after. It was just before it. And just like that, there it stopped. You can see it up there. Well, up in the top left upper corner, that's me. And if you look down on the right, that's where the object stopped.
Landing.
So that's me doing my return to home, so you can see that other object is still up there. As soon as I landed and looked up, I could not find it anywhere. Gone. Absolutely gone. And I did not have the camera aimed up high enough to see it on the drone, so I don't know what it was, but you guys probably know. Well, I estimated the speed at over 500 miles per hour using this chart, as it only took about 4 seconds to fly from my left till it stopped. My little Mini will do about 29 mile an hour max, so I don't have any 500, 400, 300, even 200 mile an hour drones. So for me, this still remains unidentified. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe and stay well. This is the Night Flyer, signing off for now.